Boy, she wait to upload those photos.
Grace, who is it? Santa. Oh.
Yeah. Photo, video.
Hey, Santa.
I gave that to my helper. She'll keep that for me. Turn around a bit.
This is going right, sir? Yay!
Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Yay! Thank you. Yep.
Oh, thank you. Merry Christmas. Thank you. That's a big smile.
Is Santa nice? Look, it's Mrs. Claus.
Santa's wife?
You can give her a hug too, okay? Okay, you don't have to. You can do high five.
Hi, Angel.
Hi.
Is this your doll? She's so
Baby. Baby.
Do you hold her and kiss her and love her? Oh, that's so sweet. I like your pants. Did you tell Santa what you want?
She gave Santa a present.
You did? Wow, he doesn't get presents very often.
You want to do a hug? No hug? Okay.
Nope, not that.
Merry Christmas.
Hi, Riley. Merry
She's thinking about people coming from different parts of the states.
Wait for that. Down there saying hi to all the boys and girls.